Meanwhile, the Bengal Chief Minister has triggered a political firestorm after Mamata Banerjee warned the Prime Minister that other states will burn if Bengal burns. She made these comments in the aftermath of protests that have been raging over the Abhaya rape and murder case. The BJP has accused the Bengal CM of spreading anarchy. The Bengal CM resorts by alleging that the BJP is spreading misinformation. Here's how the political war of words exploded.
The political face-off over the RG Kaur hospital rape and murder horror escalates. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, in her biggest attack on the BJP, has warned that if Bengal burns, it will spread to other states.
Modi Babu, আপনার পার্টিকে দিয়ে আগুন লাগাচ্ছেন, মনে রাখবেন বাংলায় যদি আগুন লাগান আসামও থেমে থাকবে না, নর্থ ইস্টও থেমে থাকবে না, উত্তর প্রদেশও থেমে থাকবে না, বিহারও থেমে থাকবে না, ঝাড়খণ্ড থেমে থাকবে না, উড়িষ্যাও থেমে থাকবে না, আর দিল্লিও থেমে থাকবে না। আপনার চেয়ারটা আমরা টলমল করে দেব।
Mamata's statement made on Wednesday provoked angry reactions from BJP chief ministers, including Himanta Biswa Sarma of Assam, N. Biren Singh of Manipur, and Mohan Majhi of Odisha, who accused her of sowing seeds of hatred across the country. The BJP, seizing the moment, sharpened its attacks.
मैं मोदी जी को गिरा सकती हूं, इतना ताकतवर लीडर बंगाल का है, वो सब बोल सकती है. She is now very scared due to massive mass movement against this misrule.
बंगाल में कोई कानून नहीं रह गया है. सरकार में बैठे हुए लोग वहां आतंक मचाए हुए हैं, लोगों को प्रताड़ित कर रहे हैं, हत्या कर रहे हैं, लूट कर रहे हैं. वहां सरकार नहीं चल रही है, वहां तो सरकार के नाम पर गुंडागर्दी चल रही है. तो ऐसे सरकार पर तो तुरंत कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए.
The BJP's ally, the JDU in Bihar, has denounced Mamata's statement.
जो अफसोसजनक है, निंदनात्मक है और स्वतंत्र भारत में कभी ऐसे अवसर देखने को नहीं मिले जब किसी प्रदेश का चुना हुआ मुख्यमंत्री अन्य राज्यों के अंदर भी दखल दे करके विद्रोह जैसी स्थिति पैदा करने की धमकी दे रहा.
The Congress, a national ally of the Trinamool, took a more cautious approach.
Calcutta doctors' rape has only made this issue a bigger issue now, and now everybody is turning towards it, and we are now need to concentrate on the real issue. We should be careful that we should not be dragged into the diversion politics of BJP. We should concentrate on the women's security and our daughters' security.
Mamata Banerjee on Thursday toned down her position. In a post on social media, the Chief Minister alleged the BJP, with the support of the Government of India, is threatening democracy in her state and trying to create anarchy. Mamata clarified that she never threatened protesting doctors. With Ritik Mondal in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.
You know, this comment that the West Bengal Chief Minister makes, Manojit Mandal, that if West Bengal will burn, other states will burn. You know, what sort of a threat is this? I can understand that she's feeling that she's under pressure and that there is anger, but this sounds to be, you know, a very irresponsible statement from a person in a very responsible position.
Dude, I think she has clarified it today. I think she did not certainly did not talk about, you know, burning other states. She was merely, you know, cautioning BJP for what they were doing, even for 2 consecutive days. Yesterday and day before yesterday, they were literally trying to burn Kolkata. So many police officers were injured. One police officer is losing his eyesight. Not even talking about that. And I saw the Chief Minister of Manipur. Does he have any moral legitimacy to even talk on TV? Still his state is burning. Still people are crying for justice. I saw this man, and here you talk about, you know, justice for women. 2 Dalit girls committed suicide in UP only yesterday, or nothing has been happening. What happened? Why did they commit suicide? If at all they were suicide, why did they commit suicide? Their parents are also alleging this is not suicide, murder. What? Why is the news? I think that the whole hog of BJP and their media lackeys have targeted Mamta for a very long period of time. But we are with the people of Bengal. People of Bengal trust Mamta. Mamta Di has got nothing to do with the common protester. She has made it amply clear. In fact, she saluted them. But the BJP's protesters, under the guise of students, the person that you are interrogating day before yesterday, he was the secretary of BJP Yuva Morcha. He was masquerading as a common student. You interrogated that person for 10 minutes. He did not speak the truth. I am telling that Mr. Lahiri, whatever his name, that Lahiri was the secretary of BJP Yuva Morcha, but he was in the guise of a common protester. We want to call them out. That was the message from Mamta.
Guru Prakash
We certainly want to call
Paswan,
them out.
this is the explanation from Mamta Banerjee that it's not really a real threat to burn states, that she's basically trying to get the BJP to ward off and to stop the BJP from burning Bengal.
Rahul, if you can even loosely translate what she said in Bangla, it translates into Assam will burn, Northeast will burn, Bihar will burn, Jharkhand will burn. We don't need any intellectual prowess to even translate what Mamta Didi has said in the public domain. Point number one. Point number two, Rahul, Bharatiya Janata Party very strongly believes. It is our firm commitment that women's security, Nari Sashakti-karan, Nari Asmita cannot be a matter of whataboutery. Did you notice the shameless whataboutery my friend from the Trinamool Congress indulged in? What about the case in Uttar Pradesh? What about the case in Jharkhand? What about the case in Delhi? Women's security, for God's sake, cannot be a matter of politics, cannot be a matter of whataboutery. How can you even have the audacity to say, when we have this incident right in the heart of West Bengal, right in the heart of Kolkata, the people from the Trinamool Congress, the people from the ruling dispensation, they have the audacity. आपकी हैसियत है ये बोलने की कि उस महिला का क्या हुआ? I can say this with all the conviction. I can say this with all the. I did not speak when you were speaking. I did not speak when you were speaking. Please learn some constitutional ethos. If anything, when Mamta Didi said
Constitution BJP,
Jharkhand will burn, why did we not hear any Congress person? Why did we not hear Congress people making an opposition to it? When Mamta Didi said Jharkhand will burn, why did no leader from Jharkhand Mukti Morcha
Dr.
came out
Borwankar,
against Mamta Didi?
you know this threat from the West Bengal Chief Minister
the true mindset
that
of
other
the
states
entire
will
India.
burn if Bengal burns. What do you make of the threat and the explanation that we've heard from her since?
That all political parties try to take advantage of such unfortunate and cruel episodes and incidents. They try to embarrass each other. If they were sincere, why do we have only less than 30% conviction in rape cases? Why have they not created more posts for judges, for prosecutors, for police? I think these are crocodile tears. And these are statements made on TV. If all political parties were serious, each case of crime against women would be tried, convicted within a year. Therefore, let's not have any facade. Let's invest in criminal justice system.